Enabling Coinbase to buy crypto is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, you need to create a Coinbase account if you have not already done so. Go to the Coinbase website or download the Coinbase app and follow the prompts to sign up. You will need to provide some personal information, such as your name, email address, and password. Once your account is set up, you will need to verify your identity. This is a security measure that Coinbase requires to comply with financial regulations. You will be asked to provide a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport, and to take a selfie to confirm your identity. After your identity has been verified, you can add a payment method to your account. Coinbase accepts a variety of payment methods, including bank transfers, credit cards, and debit cards. To add a payment method, go to the Payment Methods page and follow the prompts to link your bank account or card. With your payment method in place, you can now buy crypto on Coinbase. To do this, go to the Buy page and select the type of cryptocurrency you want to buy, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount you want to buy and review the transaction details to make sure everything is correct. Before you complete the purchase, make sure you understand the fees associated with the transaction. Coinbase charges a small fee for each purchase, which is typically a percentage of the total amount. You can see the fee amount on the transaction page before you confirm the purchase. Once you have reviewed the transaction details and understood the fees, you can confirm the purchase and complete the transaction. The crypto will be added to your Coinbase account immediately, and you can use it to make purchases, trade with other users, or simply hold it as an investment. It is also important to note that Coinbase offers a variety of security measures to protect your account and your crypto. These include two-factor authentication, which requires you to enter a code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password, and a vault, which is a secure storage area for your crypto. In conclusion, enabling Coinbase to buy crypto is a simple process that requires you to create an account, verify your identity, add a payment method, and complete the purchase. By following these steps and understanding the fees and security measures in place, you can start buying and using crypto on Coinbase with confidence.